Hello and welcome again to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create hotkey in ViciDial. So first of all, let me show you that hotkey is not configured on my campaign. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in as administrator, and then let me go to the campaign, and here I have a campaign called test. So let me open this and then detail menu. Okay, so this is the campaign that I'm going to use to create the hotkey numbers. So let me log in as the agent first. This is the soft phone that I'm going to use. As you can see over here, I have a soft phone already registered over here, name 1001, and it's online. So I'm going to put the same name over here, 1001. And then I'm going to select the test campaign, then submit.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully logged in, and over here, as you can see on the agent panel, there is no hotkey. So how you can create one? So let me log out and go back to the campaign setting. So once you are on the campaign menu, you have to open the campaign, then go to the details menu of the campaign, then click on the hotkey button. As you can see, there is an option called hotkeys, so click on that, and from here we have to add the hotkey. So you have to select which number you wanted to use. So let me use the 1. Okay, so if anyone press the 1 key, what will happen? It will be disposed as a answering machine, or busy, or callback, or dead air. You have to choose from here. So let's say I'm going to use number 1 key as answering machine. So I have selected the answering machine, then add. And over here I have already created the one hotkey, which is which will be 1, and if anyone press 1, it will be dispose the call as answering machine. Same way I'm going to choose number 2 and some other disposition. You can choose as per your requirement, then add 3 for callback, 4 for let's say no answer, and 5 for let's say cellmate, and add. Okay, so the hotkey is now created, but it will not going to work right now. So to do that, we have to go to the user, and we have to allow the permission to the user so they can use hotkey. So if you scroll down a bit, you will find this option called hotkeys active. By default it will be inactive, so you have to make it active by selecting 1, then you have to scroll down and submit. Okay, so now the hotkey is now configured. So let me go back to the agent login view and re-login. Now
You are currently the only person in this conference.
okay, so now as you can see, the hotkey is now created, and you can see all the options over here. 1 is saying for answering machine, 2 is for busy, 3 is for callback, and 4 is for no answer, and 5 is for cell. So once you have connected a call, okay, or any call connected to you, you just have to take your mouse to this hotkey active option over here, and then you can choose any number that we have configured over here. If you press 1, the call will be submitted as the answering machine. If you press 2, it will be submitted as busy. If you press 3, it will be submitted at callback. So it will be disposed like that. You don't have to manually dispose the call. So I don't think that I have any number right now with me to show you, but I will try that if this number is working. because this is just a demo dialer I'm configured in my virtual box. So let me just try. Okay, as you can see, I'm trying to call this number, and over here if I press 1, the call, it's saying that it's disposed. Okay, and it's disposed as the answering machine. So let me try one more time, and this time I'm going to dispose this with number 3. Again I'm trying to call, and then if I try to dispose with number 3, it's saying that disposed, disposition are disposed. Okay, this is the error saying that no more lead in the hopper, because I have I did not uploaded any lead, that's why it's saying. But this is how you can dispose the call. So this is how you can create the hotkey numbers or hotkey disposition you can call in ViciDial. So this is for all today. If you find this video any helpful, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.